Hey, hello, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to teach you what happens when Mercury is sitting in the first house of your birth chart or D1 chart in Vedic astrology. So, before beginning, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and click the like button. And if you have any doubt after watching this video, please do mention that in my below comment section, okay? And yes, please to like and follow my Facebook community page Parikshit Astrology where you can also post some astrological stuff and gain knowledge. So let's begin. So mainly what happens when Mercury is sitting in the first house of your birth chart or the D1 chart. So what does planet Mercury represent? It represents your intelligent or intellect. It also represents your business acumen. It also represents your communication. It also represents your sales or marketing, you can say. It also represents your talent. It also represents your writing skill. It also represents astrology. Yeah, so these are the things can be seen through the planet Mercury. Now, what happens when Mercury is sitting in the first house of your birth chart or the D1 chart? Now, when Mercury is sitting in the first house of your birth chart or the D1 chart, it shows that, see, mainly first house represents your physical appearance or your overall health, right? So, it also represents fame. So, when Mercury is sitting in the first house of your birth chart or the D1 chart, that shows that you will get very good fame or name in the field of astrology or in the field of communication, any type of communication. It might be verbal communication or any form of communication. It also shows that you will get very good fame in technical skills, like it might be like in the IT field, you will get very good name there also, or being a software engineer or in any computer field, you can get very good fame or name, you can say. And it also shows that you will be having some problems regarding to your health, like skin related problems, because Mercury represents skin. It also represents nervous. You might be having something related to nervous problem or skin problem if Mercury is very badly placed in the first house, like if it is afflicted by malefics or if it is a functional malefic, you can say. So these are all the things can be seen through when Mercury is in the first house. Now it also shows that you can become a very good actor or very great actor, because acting is seen through Venus, but Mercury is seen through the dialogue delivery. So the people will what you can say, the people will actually love you if you have very good dialogue delivery and all. And it also shows that you can become a very great comedian also, because comedians are represented by planet Mercury, because they actually change, right? So they actually have very good expression and all, comedians. Okay, now it also represents these people can also become very great business person also, or entrepreneurs. It also shows that these people can also have fickle minded type, because Mercury ruling the third house in the Kalpurush chart, you can say third house is Gemini, right? In the Kalpurush chart, so Gemini represents fickle minded type of people. So these people can have fickle minded and also dual nature. So because it is ruled by Virgo also, Mercury, so Virgo and Gemini are dual minded signs or dual signs. So these people can be dual minded nature, or these people can be having dual mind, you can say. So two minds at a time. Now it also shows that these people can become a very great politician if Mercury is conjuncted Sun, or Mercury and Sun are aspected by Jupiter. So that shows that these people can enter into politics and win also. It also shows that these people can also give very great speech and also become famous. So these are all things can be seen through when planet Mercury is in the first house of the birth chart or the D1 chart. Now, suppose if Mercury is sitting with Venus, then that shows that these people will be very good at creative things and all. Now, it also shows that when Mercury is sitting in the first house, these people can be very practical also. Okay, because of the Gemini and the Virgo sign, so these people can be practical. Now, it also shows that these people can be very good accountant or chartered accountant, CA, you can say, or these people can work in banking sector also, or these people can become a very great broker, stock broker, or you can say these people can become a very great teacher. So these are all the fields where you require communication, right? And like calculating part and all, these people can become a very great mathematical teacher or maths teacher. So these are things can be seen through planet Mercury. So yep, this is it for today guys. This was my analysis about Mercury in the first house of your birth chart or the D1 chart. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe below, or else I will see in the next video. So if you want any consultancy, please to contact my given below WhatsApp number, or else you can even mail me. So until and unless, thank you, bye bye, love you, take care.